Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another paper crafting video. Today I have a really patriotic shadow box for you. This is my Happy 4th of July shadow box. Isn't that just so fun? All the different red, white, and blue, the balloons, the fireworks, the bunting. It's just a really fun design. It's really simple to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. Now, if you don't have an account on my website, you can go ahead and click the sign up button. You'll be taken to a page that has our different membership tiers. We have free, monthly, and annual memberships. Go ahead and choose which option is best for you, and then you can go ahead and sign in. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'm going to go ahead and add my credentials and log into my account. And now we're logged into the website. To access the file library, you can go to the Files tab under the main navigation menu and click File Library. And then you're brought to all the files. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 207. That is the 4th of July shadow box. Go ahead and press the download button and download the file to your computer. Make sure to unzip the file and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Resize the design. So you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Now I do have this project sized for the inner dimensions of the shadow box that I have listed in the materials list. The inner dimensions for that particular shadow box are 6.5 by 6.5 inches. If you're using a different shadow box or using this as a card, you can come up to the sizing menu and change the sizing accordingly. One thing that I would mention is that you want to keep the proportions locked so that it doesn't distort the image at all. Since mine is already set to the dimensions that I need it to be set to, I'm going to go ahead and click Make It. And you'll see the different mats for this project. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out and then it'll be time to put together the shadow box. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have all of our pieces cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to layer up everything for the shadow box. Now I do have a layering guide within the download to help visualize how to layer everything together. You could totally add foam squares behind some of these different layers to add a little bit more dimension within your shadow box. For this particular tutorial, I'm just going to stack everything together inside the shadow box. So I've already gone ahead and taken all the packaging out from the shadow box, and then I've also added the little pins that are included with this particular shadow box so that adds a little bit more dimension and helps push everything forward. I'm going to set that backing piece to the side for a moment. And now I'm just going to go ahead and start to layer in our pieces. We'll go ahead and close everything up. And there is our happy 4th of July shadow box. Isn't that so fun? I love all the different colors. Obviously it's very patriotic with the red, white, and blue. All those fireworks and the balloons and the bunting. It's really a cool design. Isn't this a fun design? I love how it layers together. It really makes such a cool patriotic scene. Perfect for the 4th of July. If you make this one, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will see you at the next paper crafting video. Bye.